So the three of heart, it represents success and creativity. It is also signifies artistic or an artistic person who is very good with arts and creativity. It also represents emotions, but also wants us to be cautious regarding emotional affairs. Especially if surrounded by spades, it can indicate towards a love triangle. But even if it is not surrounded or by spades, it can still mean that a third person may be involved. It also signifies joy, fertility, pregnancy, a small promotion, a growing situation, growing feelings, prayer, small wishes, lack of commitment. Again, the person has dual feelings and is not sure. It can also represent religion. It also signifies or indicates an upcoming small celebration or a job promotion, but not a very major one. In medical reading, it can represent our blood. So basically, this card overall is good, but can represent duality of feelings and unsure and fickle emotions.